Hello and welcome to our tutorial video. Here we're going to go through step by step on how to open an account and make your deposits and show you the information inside your portal. It's a really nice and simple process. So you go to our Alpha Maverick website and click Start Now. Here you'll get the option to choose your broker. So click on the broker, put in your country. Here on this example, it is Portugal. Click Visit VT Markets. And now this takes you to the area where you put in your information, country of residence, email address, password. And this is where you click Open your account. So just to be clear, with this information, now you've created with your email address and your password. This is the information that you use to log into your portal. This is where you'll make your deposits, your withdrawals, and other account transactions. So now you can log in, and now we go through some of the verification processes. We put in all of our information, and what we do now is we're going to select the right platform for our trading system. So we need MetaTrader 5 selected, raw ECN selected, and your currency. You also get an opportunity to create a password for this account. Please do so and click Submit. Now we are done with that process. We are now ready to make the deposit. So we have to verify the account first. So we do that. We use obviously our personal information. We can use our passport. We can use our driving license. Whatever you're happy with, please proceed with that. Here on this example, it's your driving license, front and back. Click Verify. The system takes a little while just to verify your information, and that's us, and we are ready to go. Now we deposit the funds. On this example, we are putting in a €500 account. And with our broker, VT Markets, we get a credit line which matches it of 100%, which is really great. So this client will then be starting with €1,000. So put in your credit card information, and off you go. Click Continue. And that is it. You now can log back into your portal to make sure your deposit and everything is there. And you'll see that your credit line has been matched. You've got your credit facility, you've got your balance, and you have €1,000 to start trading with. Hope that was helpful. And any questions, please reach out to us and we're here to help you. Thank you.